Dear Lord, I come to you today to ask for your blessings and guidance for my daughter who is preparing for her teacher's examination. As she works hard to achieve her goal, I pray that you be with her every step of the way. Grant her the wisdom and understanding she needs to comprehend the material she is studying, and the ability to recall it with ease during her exams. Help her to stay focused, motivated, and confident in her abilities. As she prepares to become a teacher, I ask that you fill her heart with compassion, patience, and kindness. May she be a shining example to her students and inspire them to reach their full potential. Please bless her with good health, both physically and mentally, and surround her with positive energy and support. May she always feel your presence and guidance in her life, and may she remain steadfast in her faith. Finally, I pray for my daughter as she prepares for her teacher's examination, and for all other students who are in the process of becoming teachers. May you watch over them and guide them as they work to shape the minds of future generations. Amen.